Hi guys, first of all I want to start this part by telling you nice to meet you and congratulations to get to this point in these courses. I hope that what you have seen was interesting and helpful. Don't hesitate to ask a private question for any request or help. Sajid and myself will be happy to respond to your demand. The complex part is coming, thus I hope that you are ready. I totally forgot to introduce myself. My name is Sami. I'm your teacher for this trading masterclass. I am passionate about investment, particularly trading, and I was a specialized trader in currencies within a British company based in London. The purpose of this chapter is to understand clearly different and useful indicators like Bollinger Bands or Ishimoku Kinkoyo in order to take a position at the best momentum. For those who are only interested in coding, no worries. Sajid will give you the tools to implement those last two indicators by Python application. However, I have noticed that these last years, particularly due to the COVID-19, a lot of novices invest within the market without real experience. If it is your situation, congratulations, because make your saving work is essential. Besides, this is the reason why we are here today. Firstly, we will discuss a basic but fundamental chapter in order to understand more about the market in which we are going to invest. Indeed, it is essential to be familiar with the notion and particularities of the stock market. We will therefore concretely see how the market finance operates. To begin, we will explore in detail the characteristics of the main players that are driving the different marketplace. I suppose that you are aware of certain institutions, such as hedge fund or mutual fund for example, so we will examine here what is behind their doors. We will also take this opportunity to discuss on various trading strategies, including swing trading and scalping. Then, within the principle of the stock exchange functioning, we will cover the multiple securities available and the world's most important financial centers. Finally, we will focus on one question. What is the process when we decide to act and take a position in the financial market? We will therefore take a concrete look at how far your order has traveled and how it is handled through the order book and dark pool. Let's start this trading masterclass now.